Hi guys, I have some string of dolphin stems here that I'll be propagating. I took some stem cuttings from the string of dolphin plants I recently bought and just repotted. They're here right next to me. I bought 2 pots and they both did not look very healthy when I got them from the store. So I took some stem cuttings just in case they do not make it. I'll link that video down below in the description box, the repotting video. So I'm preparing a very fast draining potting mix for these stems right now. I want to plant the roots in the soil if there are any existing roots. These stems are harder to plant than the string of pearl stems because they're very stiff and not as pliable. As you can see, I'm having a little bit of a hard time. Okay, as I mentioned, I'm having a little bit of a hard time keeping the stems down and keeping them in place because the soil is too loose and the stems are very stiff. I need something to hold them down. Let me see what I can use. So my husband has these wires from his bonsai wiring project and this is what we're going to use to hold down the stems. So I'll be watering these stem cuttings every few days because string of dolphins require more water than other succulents, and I'll also be keeping these away from direct sunlight. And that's it. So thanks so much for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to this channel if these are the types of content you'd like to see. I have a playlist of related topics you can check out down below. Thanks for watching.